I'm back. All right, you guys. 10 millimeter. It's gonna be for the fucking top. All right. 10 from fucking China. This one. Give me a second. 17. Yeah. Okay. This one is gonna be a 16 millimeter. Where's this bolt go to? This one goes right here. All right. Also, you may have a fucking issue doing it. I recommend before you do the job, get one of these so it can split this hole open. All right, next. Okay, so 10, 16. The one for the bottom of the vehicle. Oh, actually, right there. The two bolts that go one there. Let me see what. One there, one there. Those two bolts. They're going to be a Torx socket 14. It has to look like that. So that's gonna be a 14. All right. These hose, 1, 2, there's 2 of them, is gonna be a Torx socket 10. He's lying. Negative. I'm not fucking lying. T10. Bam, bitch. All right, so I'm gonna fucking remove those, see what happens. If I'm able to do a job, I'm able to do a job. If I'm not, I'm still gonna pursue, and I'm gonna show you guys how to fucking do it. All right, you guys, I'll keep you posted. Let's do this shit. All right, you guys. Oh, shit. So I got the T10. You can't see my finger. There's my finger. I got a T10. Bam, remove that shit. Bam, I bent this back. Don't worry about it. What the fuck this shit does, doesn't do shit. Okay, cool. Oh no, I still have an issue. I can't get that shit down. Why? Because this thing is too high, too low, something. So it was a bitch trying to move these tools or bolts. So in order to remove these bolts, you have to come up and undo them, right? My hands are wet, by the way. All right, I just washed them. All right, so you have to undo them. Bam. Okay, once you're done undoing them, also make sure where these bolts go, right? I already know where this bolt goes. Don't worry about it. All right. So once you do that, make sure this shit gets pushed out from the sway bar. I already got it out. So basically you're gonna grab this fucking hole right here, or you could get your shoulder, and with your shoulder kind of press down on this right here, and as you're pressing down, you're moving the sway bar, pulling it, and moving this at the same time, the strut, in order for the fucking sway bar to come out, right? So I got one side out. I just need to remove the other side. Once I do the other side, I'm going to do it in reverse order. So that means that the last piece I took out is going to be the first piece I put back in. You roger that? Right. So that shit is going to go back in. Then this piece is going to go back in above the 2 wires. Is going to come back from here above the 2 fucking wires, and then we're going to do everything in reverse order, right? So yeah. All right, also I'm not going to tighten these hoses down. I'm just going to put that nut that was on top, whatever, it goes to this one. This one is going to be a different number. Why? Because I got this part from Amazon, and Amazon has a different number bolt. I believe the original nut, the original nut is 18, but mine is going to be 19. It is what it is. All right, so once I'm done doing that, I'm going to put both bolts in, screw them just a little bit, not all, screw just a little bit, and then from there I'm going to put this plate back up on there, and, you know, call that shit a day. But I really don't recommend doing this job whatsoever. You know, save money, yeah, cool, but if you're not experienced, you know, fucking, this could be scary, right? But something somebody once told me, just kidding, I'm just making this bullshit up. All right, if it's a car, you know, don't be afraid of it being a Mercedes. If it's a car, runs on gas, you could fix it. Don't let anybody ever tell you this, right? So I don't know how to do this job. I'm just, you know, off the top of my head, hey, this is what I got to do. But I ended up going to Mercedes-Benz World, the forums, and some guy said you have to take out the front suspension. I'm not taking out the front suspension. You're crazy, right? I already did it before. I'm not trying to do it again because you have to take these things off, and at the moment I don't have those zip ties. There you go. These 2 zip ties. I'm not trying to go through the hassle. All right, whatever. So I'm gonna get the job done, finish it, and then let you guys know what I do, how I do it afterwards. Make this video a second time. The fucking blower went out. All right. So this is in the vehicle as we speak, right? Let's pretend that, this old one, let's pretend that this one just came off, right? Bam, so it's like this. Now, when you're trying to take out the sway bar, it's gonna be difficult. In order for you to take out the sway bar, there's not gonna be enough room for you to just fucking take it out. So you're gonna have to move this bitch over just like that. Remember, we're still under the vehicle. Remember, one tire's right here, one tire's right here. All right, when you do that, that is when here, at this moment, at this angle, you're gonna be able to take out the fucking sway bar, right? So I'm gonna do the same thing. If any of you guys are saying, what direction does it go? What direction does it go? Remember, these things always face downwards, right? All right, so I'm gonna get this shit done. Put that bitch on and then see where I go from there.